My people, gather here because this one shock everybody. You all remember how we've been updating you about Obi Cubana's latest massive investment in Asaba, Delta State. This particular project has been trending everywhere because of how big, bold, and futuristic it looks. But then, 1 week after Obi Cubana made the announcement public about his latest investment called the Cubana Millennium City, Harrison Gwamnishu came out with a serious revelation that this land Cubana is developing is a land two communities have been fighting over for so many years, and according to him, people even lost their lives in that dispute.
Good morning, Obi Cubana. My name is Harrison Gwamnishu. I'm from Delta State and I reside in Asaba. All right, I have tried all avenue to reach out to you, but no way. I also reach out to you on Instagram. I think maybe you are busy. You read it. You did not respond to me. Maybe you are busy. All right. I want to thank you for coming to our state to invest. All right. To buy properties for real estate. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate. But I want to bring something to your attention. People who brought you in to buy properties in Asaba, I don't think you made some verifications about the properties that you bought. Properties that you bought are currently in dispute between Isela Obanam and Isela Zagba. All right, the governments are already on that same property. They announced that they're going to do what they call boundary adjustment so that to resolve the crisis between Isela Zagba and Obanam. A lot of people have been killed in that very land. A lot of people have been killed in that very land. Both the one close to Witek, the other one, blood has been wasted in that place. All right, and the government said we are coming to do boundary adjustment, headed by the deputy governor. In fact, there's a court order on these same properties that they brought you in and you start developing, start fencing. So I want you to make your verification. Just verify about this whole stuff I'm saying. All right. We welcome you to our state, welcome you to our communities to invest, but you need to make proper findings so that tomorrow there won't be any issue anywhere. All right, there won't be any issue anywhere. I know there are people in government that are pushing you to do this and that. My brother, try to investigate. All right, there are legit document from the court. There are documents from the state government who said that the two communities, Obanam and Isela Zagba, the government are coming to share boundary, to demarcate, to do a boundary adjustment for them so that they can resolve all these issues. They are still on it. The government have not even given concluded their findings. They have not concluded. From nowhere, they brought you in and you start building on the said land. I think it is important for you to come back and sit and see how these matters can be resolved. All right, Daloshin, thank you for coming to Delta State to invest, but it's important that you are not brought in because of maybe some influence or anything. I don't think it's necessary. All right, thank you so much, Obi Cubana. I expect a response from you and possibly a meeting to see how this can be resolved as soon as possible. Now there's a warning from state government too on this same land. They warn Obanam communities, they warn Isela Zagba for them to stay clear from the properties until they give a final verdict from office of deputy governor. And they said no individual should be seen on that land or develop that property. The government have not given their final verdict, but I don't know what happened. From nowhere they saw that you came in with bulldozers, you started clearing the place and you started fencing the place. So I want you to do to investigate properly. Maybe people from the government are the one bringing you in, but nobody knows for now, and maybe people from Isela Zagba or Obanam are the one bringing you in, but that property was bought by an individual like you. Individual like you bought it before they said that both Obanam community and Isela Zagba community are having issue with it. Government said, okay, let us step in. Government have stepped in, but they have not given final verdict. But now they saw that you are in the said property. So please, my brother, look deeply and see how this can be corrected as soon as possible.
Many people expected Obi Cubana to, pause a bit, investigate more, or even suspend the project for the meantime. In fact, social media waited for that Cubana reacts kind of moment. But guess what? Odogu no even slow down for 1 second. Instead of stopping, the man doubled down. And yesterday, something huge happened. The groundbreaking ceremony for the Cubana Millennium City was officially held in Asaba. And this wasn't a small gathering, no. The governor of Delta State was there, top politicians were there, fellow billionaires, high-profile friends, partners, and family all came out to witness it. The atmosphere, very massive, the energy, so different, and the vision, next level.
For Banana Island to be in Asaba. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is the president himself. We're going to be outside at the moment. Alongside with him, a woman in super high Cubana Group, the Cubana Millennium City, congratulations. That was the official groundbreaking. Yes.
You are doing it better than the players.
Investment follows. I send my sincere appreciation.
Your progressive policies have created the fertile ground upon which we're building the community, the Cubana Millennium Estate. We're not just building structures, just like my husband said, we're building a legacy. To our discerning investors who have placed their trust in this vision, we are humbled for your confidence. And you have recognized that Cubana Millennium is not just merely a residential development, but Nigeria's next premier luxury destination. Like we call it, what is it called? I don't think it's Banana Island. I think it's the Dubai state-of-art community that we're building, where sophisticated architecture meets unparalleled amenities, setting a new standard for elite living in the South and Southeast regions. To our exceptional team of architects, our engineers.
Because this project, the Cubana Millennium City, is not just another estate, it's a transformative blueprint for the new Delta. Well, according to those present, this project is not just creating jobs for the people, it's turning previously underdeveloped areas into a modern, thriving urban space. Special shout out to Obi Cubana, the Odogu himself, and this time, Odogu no be nickname at all. This is legacy work. So take your time and watch this video, the making of the Millennium City, because what is coming to Asaba is on a completely different level. Don't forget to like, follow, and stay glued for more exclusive updates.